This week on Foxy TV, we take you to the inner city suburb of Seven Hills to style this multi-million-dollar home. Yes, welcome back to Foxy TV episode 139. We will be heading to that install very, very shortly. But first, we're going to head to the Foxy home staging warehouse to get a bit of background on the job from Chief Stylist Phoebe.
All right guys, so we're doing an install, nice big one, 4 bedrooms, study and 2 living areas. What's really special about this one, particularly for us, is it's more of a high-end property. So, oh my God, it is absolutely bucketing down. Yeah, so I've said time and time before, we focus on the sort of $1 million to $1.5 million price point here in Brisbane. This particular property, it's sort of focusing more on the $3 million price point. We are looking at that price point because of location to the city. We have a phenomenal view of the city, particularly from upstairs, and that's really our hero feature of this property. Plus it has some gorgeous fit outs characteristics of the property that are really going to help itself with that really high price point. So gorgeous mature trees. We've got a nice big pool. So basically, I went shopping and we brought in some features in particular that are going to work really, really well with this property. For me, I drew on, there's some gorgeous artworks that I purchased from Oz Design that have gone into the study space. Study is the first thing you see. That room needs to be incredible. It needs to be a wow feature. Gorgeous big double door opening barn doors. We've got a huge big room, which could be bedroom 5, but we've gone with a home office. Opens out to outside, which is going to have a gorgeous egg chair and a nice big 2 metre tall, actually real Birds of Paradise plant sitting there. So it's beautiful, it's big, and I just wanted that to be wow. So those pieces of artwork combined with our gorgeous big dining table and the new dining chairs that I purchased from Iluka Road. They're beautiful dining chairs, timber feature, nothing that you really see anywhere else in store. They are direct from a wholesaler. So they're our feature items that would really help draw our eyes to, then go outside. So that's what I've drawn everything all around. The other pieces we've then collectively brought together here from the warehouse, from our inventory. But they're our key features, beautiful big palm fronds, very coastal, but we do have metallic gold labyrinth coffee table pieces like that. So, all right, so we're going to head over to the property. There is finishing, as always happens with new develops and new builds. Yes, it's install day. Yes, it's photography day, but this is the day that we have all our final touches happening. So you can see there's a little bit of painting happening. We're getting our touch-ups on our barn door rails, all those little bits happening in the background. So we are working around tradies, but this is behind the scenes and that's what we do every single day.
Now we have a bit of background on the job, on the home, on the client's expectations, the brief. Let's head to install day.
It's installation day and we have everything all ready to go. So the brief from the client was coastal, but erring on the side of contemporary. So you'll see we're not going to mix all the traditional elements that you would see with coastal all together. So we're not going with the white, we are going with white, and we are going with whitewash linens and things like that, but we're not doing, it's not entirely and purely cane and wicker and Hamptons blend. We are bringing in some metallic elements. We're bringing in some pretty cool funky chairs to help blend throughout and make it feel a little bit more new age coastal, if I can describe it that way. So, a couple of the more specific things that the client had asked was a nice, really big, solid timber top dining table. So we've gone for a gorgeous, really Oz Design inspired rolled end white dining table. Like, it's gorgeous, so you'll love that. Outdoor is a huge feature here, so heaps of outdoor entertaining area. We actually have gorgeous city views upstairs, which you can't really appreciate today because it's raining, but on a standard day it looks amazing. So that was the brief. Bringing it all together is going to be beautiful, so can't wait to show you.
Well, there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this episode, a look at a contemporary coastal install of this multi-million-dollar home in Seven Hills. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next week.
Sort of $1 million to $1.5 million price point. Go get a little bit wet. Anyway, yeah, so I've said time and time before,